Seriously though, a really great day up here. Taos is amazing.
All right, well, front camera is dead. So let me show you guys what we're doing here. Allegedly, there is service back here and a hot spring, which is exactly what I need.
All right, I wouldn't even believe it if you told me, but there's somehow cell service out here. And there's not cell service like right up the road, so it must be coming from over there somewhere. In about a bar or two, I was able to load apps, so I'm assuming that everything's gonna work fine for work tomorrow. And there are supposedly some hot springs around here. Wow, look at that. This is the Rio Grande. Pretty friggin' cool. So yeah, I'm gonna take a walk down there tomorrow, look for those hot springs. Right now I just got the car running. I'm gonna turn the diesel heater on and shut it off. Hey bud. Well, my goodness, I wouldn't have even believed it if I hadn't seen it myself. But there are hot springs right here along the Rio Grande, completely free. Oh my God, this is kind of incredible. I've never actually been to natural hot springs before. Wow. This, you can feel the heat coming off of it too. What? Oh, it's so warm. Oh my God. Okay, all right. I'm coming down here with some clean clothes. Here's what I woke up to. That was easily one of the most enjoyable things about this entire journey so far was the free hot springs down in the Rio Grande. A short drive from the ski mountain. So yeah, I could not imagine a more perfect place. It's nice and cool during the day. It's getting cold at night, but that's what the heater's for. So yeah, man, I am I'm a happy camper. Gonna go back here, make some lunch, and yeah, just continue with the day. But that was much needed. So needed. I mean, I'm just so glad you have had a relaxing bath. What an amazing place, Taos. Ooh, it's so toasty in here. It is very freaking cold outside, but I just crawled back in here and I'm like, oh, it's so warm. But yeah, I have tons of good food. I decided to kind of treat myself this week. Got some olives and some nice cheese and some tasty beers. And yeah, I have Thai food to cook tonight. All right, cut up the veggies. Of course, need the pot and the beef, which is still looking pretty good and cold in there, not frozen, but yeah, that's nothing I can't live with. All right, got that good to go. Some ghee in there as well as vegetable oil. So I'm gonna start this up. Getting ready to put the meat in here. Oh yeah, sauteing away. All right, in we go with the sauce. There we go. So coconut milk can be a bit of a bear to get out sometimes, so we got it in here. And there we have it. All right, now all I can really say is that I don't like making rice in the car. I feel like rice has a certain way of needing a lot of cleanup sometimes, especially in a pot like this. But, you know, I usually just do a 1 to 1.5, right? Or, you know, if you put your finger into the rice, it's about a knuckle thick. It should be about double the amount of water. So, yep. 1.5 parts water. Yep. Okay. All right, that ought to do. All right, curry is inside. Got the rice going. Hopefully that boils pretty quick. It'll be about 10 minutes. I don't know about you guys, but this always looks pretty good to me. I'm inside, and that's a cat. This is my little Airbnb rental that I'm gonna have for the next month here in Taos. Just gonna be really nice to kind of reset and not have to be running all over the place for just a little while. In all honesty, I kind of was like, I almost don't want to do this because I might get like house trained, but I really don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, look at this guy. He's been house trained. Still a wild animal. Yes. Yes. I don't think they're supposed to be inside, but it wanted to come in. And it lives here. So I just like let it in. Look at all these cats. Oh my god.